Yes, so ma'am, you hear me? Ma'am, am I audible to you? Ma'am, am I audible or not? Please respond. Ma'am, you hear me? Please put on your camera. Ma'am, do you hear me? Please put on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, am I audible or not?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So, children, in the last class, Hafsa, you also please put on your camera.
Okay. Ma'am, is it fine if I don't put it on because focus mode isn't on?
Yes, Hafsa, what is your reason?
Ma'am, the
The
focus
focus
mode.
mode isn't on.
Focus mode is not on. Okay. 1 minute.
Okay.
I think the focus mode is on, children.
It's not on, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's on.
Abdullah, can you put on your camera?
No, ma'am, we can see Abdullah. It's not on.
Yeah, we
You all
can
can
see.
see Abdullah. Okay, 1 minute. One minute, children, then it will be on. When you stop seeing Abdullah's video, then you can put on yours. Okay, because then the focus mode will be on. Okay, by the time, children, you listen very carefully to, we'll just quickly revise whatever we did in the last class. So basically, I started with this lesson. Now it's on.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, children, please put on your camera. So, children, criteria for congruency we studied the SAS congruency and the I also taught AAS and ASA congruency. We also practiced a little bit of questions. Right. Now we practiced the examples right in the last class. Then the first question also we did. Then second and third I gave us assignment question. Have you all completed second and third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who will explain me the second question then? Yeah, who will explain me the second question? Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, who will explain me the second one? I gave this as assignment. Children, did you do or not?
Ma'am,
Abdullah,
I
you're
replied to the assignment.
Yes, ma'am. I did.
yes, explain us the second one.
Okay, for that, I wrote that in ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, AD is equal to BC.
In this triangle and
Yes.
in which one? BAC and in
Yes.
this triangle. Okay. Now tell me what all is equal.
BD is equal to AC.
Okay. BD is equals to AC. That is given to us. Then
So I wrote angle DAB is equal to angle CBA.
okay, that is also given.
So AB is equal to AB, common side. Then
Okay.
triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC.
Good evening, ma'am.
By which congruency? Yes, good evening,
SAS.
Amal. SAS.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
you have side. One second. Let's write it down. Children, look very carefully. I have this triangle. I am talking about this one and then this triangle. Now what we will do, children, first of all, you write in triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Yes, the first point is that this side, they are giving you AD is equal to BC. Okay. So this side is equal to this side. So we'll write down AD is equal to BC. Okay, why? Because it is given in the question. Then you will write down angle DAB is equal to angle CBA because that is also given in the question. The next is that this side is common for both the triangles, right? So you will write down AB is equals to AB and you will write down it is the common side. Then you will write down thus by which congruency now, children? You have a side, then you have an angle, then again you have a side. Okay, so you write down by SAS congruency, the two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. Then the next part says also prove that BD is equals to AC. So where is BD? This line is equal to AC line. Okay, these black lines are equal to each other. So children, we can directly say yes, they are equal by CPC.
CPCT.
What is the full form of CPCT? What is the full form, children?
Corresponding
Path.
parts of congruent triangles.
Yes. Then you also have to prove that angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. So they are telling you that this angle is equal to BAC. BAC is this angle. So again, you can say by CPCT only because this upper part is lying in the blue color triangle and this low and this one is lying in the pink color triangle. Okay. So again by CPCT. Okay. Then the third one. Any doubt in the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
can you
ma'am.
explain?
Can I explain again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, look here. You had to prove that this pink color triangle, where is the pink one? Over here. This pink color triangle is congruent to this blue color triangle. Okay, to this one. So what we will do is, first of all, we take both the triangles. Now it is already given to us that I will this is congruent to this one. So what is given to us already? That this side is for the blue one is equal to this side for the pink one. So
Yes,
side
ma'am.
is equal to side. Then children, this angle is equal to this angle. The upper angle is from the pink triangle and the lower triangle is this one is from the blue triangle.
Yes.
Then this side is common for both the triangles. AB side is there in triangle ABD and it is there in ABC also. Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why children it's equal by CPCT, congruent by CPCT. Then BD and AC line. So where is the BD line? BD is this line and AC is this line. Now these lines are also equal to one another. And how are they equal? You say they are equal by CPCT. Because for two congruent triangles, you can say any two sides are equal or any two angles are equal. How? By the criteria of CPCT. Similarly, the two angles that you have to prove. ABD. So where is ABD? This one will be equal to BAC. BAC is over here. This one is also equal to this one. The angle ABD is for the pink one and BAC is from the blue one. Okay. Now do not think that ma'am that these are both lying in the blue part. No, blue part is overlapping. Actually, that is from the pink. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Next one. Does anybody wants to explain? Yes, children, does anybody wants to explain one? This one? Abdullah. Abdullah, just one reaction is fine. Ammar and Abdullah, are we having any jokes in the class?
No, ma'am. I can say.
Behave in a disciplined manner, okay? I'm asking you the solution. If you know the solution, you respond, put on your mic and speak. Otherwise, you will keep quiet. Okay? No reactions other than a thumbs up sign or a hands sign is allowed. Other than these two signs, you will not send any reactions. Yes, Abdullah.
Ma'am, first I did AOD is equal
First,
to,
explain the question. What is the question?
we have to find CD bisects AB, that is OA is equal to OB.
Yes, so children, the question says that there are two perpendicular lines, AB and BC. Okay, so that means this line is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so that is why this angle is 90 degrees to a line segment AB. No, AD. So these both are actually perpendicular lines. AD and BC are both perpendicular to this line segment. So these both are 90 angles. So you will write down what is given in the question. Given BC perpendicular to AB and AD perpendicular to AB. Both of them are perpendicular, so you'll write down given. so that CD bisects AB. So CD is this line now, this black colored line that I'm drawing. This is line CD. You have to show that it is bisecting AB. So children, if it is bisecting AB, so what does it mean now? I told you in the last class, what does it mean to bisect anything?
It means that cutting something in equal half.
They are being divided into equal halves. So CD is bisecting AB. So which line is to be divided into equal, CD or AB?
AB.
AB should be divided in equal halves. So this line should be equal to this line. So this is what we have to prove. It is not given. So what do you have to prove? This is what is given in the question. To prove is that OB equals OA. Okay. Now we'll write down the proof. So children, again you will take these two triangles. First let's take this triangle and then the lower triangle. Yes, now Abdullah, tell us how can you prove them congruent? Children, see, this is not given in the question, okay? That this red part that I've drawn, it is not given. Just know this. Yes.
Ma'am, AD is equal to BC given, so OAD is equal to OBC because both of them are 90 degrees.
AD is equal to A is equal
BC.
to BC. Okay. Now, children, look at one thing now. This line was not written in the question, right? But you could see sign. See, there is this sign on both the lines. And yesterday we discussed what is the meaning of this sign, that they are equal lines. So it is not directly written in the question, but it is given in the figure. So you will consider it. So let's write one more point in the given thing. Given AD equal to BC. So we can use this over in the proof also. Yes. Why? Because it is given in the question. Next.
So angle OAD is equal to angle OBC because
Yes.
each are
Also
90
angle
degrees.
OBA, OBC is equal to angle OAD.
OAD.
Yeah, AD we have written first now.
Yes, ma'am. OAD is equal to OBC.
It is also, no, they are both each 90 degree.
Yes, ma'am. Each 90.
Then
Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC because they are vertically opposite angles.
very good. So for now, children, we have this side is equal to this side. Okay, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle.
See
Now,
also,
why are these both angles equal? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So you will also write down angle AOD is equal to angle BOC because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, thus by which criteria are they both equal? Which criteria?
SAS.
vertically opposite.
Not SAS. We
AAS.
don't have
AAS.
AAF. By angle, side. Do not write this thing as SAA. That is not given in your textbook. That is not an identity. We call it AAS only. AAS criteria, you will say that triangle AOD
AOD.
is congruent to triangle
BOC.
BOC, and thus OA equals to OB by CPCT. And then hence line CD intersects or bisects AOB. Okay, got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's come to the next one. Children, try this one on your own now. Try fifth question on your own. What does this question say? That line L is bisector of angle A. So children, you see this angle A is being bisected. Okay, it is being bisecting means it's being divided into half. By which line? By this line. So you can use this now, that this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. Next is BP and BQ are perpendiculars. So this line and this line are perpendicular lines. That means they are 90 degree each. This also you write in given. Then show that triangle APB is congruent to AQB. So this triangle and this triangle you have to prove congruent, and then you also have to prove that point B is equidistant from the arms of A. Okay, that means you have to prove that BP line, that this line is equal to this line. Okay. So these both points, try to solve them. Write proper things. You will first write down what is given in the question, what you have to prove, then you will start with your proof. Okay, there is marks for everything. Start solving. Then shall we discuss now?
Okay.
What about others?
1 minute.
Okay, quickly completed children, then I'll ask you to show also.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing last minute.
Okay, Mark completed. It is still not done. Then if you're having difficulty, then we can have a discussion, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, who has done? Abdullah, show me your work.
I'm having difficulty in doing it.
Yes, Hafsa?
I'm having trouble in doing it.
You're not able to do. I don't hear you.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. We'll have a discussion. Abdullah and Ammar, children, why your camera off?
Ma'am, today my camera is having some problem. The
No
next
problem,
class
Ammar.
will be turning on.
Abdullah, why is your camera off? Abdullah, I asked you to do the work. And now when I'm asking you to show the work, you've put your camera off. Okay, children, all of you focus on the board now. What is it given in the question? First of all, we'll write that. So first point you'll write, given. Who will tell me what is given in the question? Point by point.
BP and BQ are perpendicular from B.
First, okay. First, children, first see, remember it's written bisector of angle A. So first you mention this point only. So what do you understand by this? What two angles are equal? You can write angle BAQ is equal to angle BAP. Okay. Then BP and BQ are perpendicular. So you will write down BQ perpendicular to AQ first, and then you can write down BP perpendicular to AP. Okay. And now you have to, what do you have to prove? This part. So this thing you will write in to prove. Write this statement. Then you will start the proof. So proof will be in triangle APB and triangle AQB. So APB. In this one, what I have is, can I say that this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so I will write down angle
ma'am.
BTA is equal to angle BQA. Then I can write down this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so I'll write down angle PAB is equal to angle BAQ. Now for both of them, the reason is that it is already given to us in the picture. Then next, I can say that AB line is occurring in both of the triangles, so it is common. Hafsa, whenever I am teaching, sit straight in the class and listen to the solution. Okay? You do not have to talk. AB is equal to AB because it is a common line in both of them. So write common. Next, you can say thus by CPCT. Sorry, not by CPCT. So write thus by AAS congruency, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Okay. Now, what was the second part? B is equidistant from the arm. So basically, now you can say BQ is equal to BP by CPCT. So second part, BQ is equal to BP by CPCT. All right. Clear with this question? Abdullah, why was your camera off?
Ma'am, I got disconnected.
You joined from 2 devices.
No, ma'am. One device.
Yeah, now it's from one. That's it. And any doubt in the fifth one?
No, ma'am.
Take a screenshot if you want. Done. Children, shall I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I also have the fourth one. So now fourth one, I'll just explain. You'll do it on your own only. What does this say? That L and M are two parallel lines. So line L is parallel to line M. Okay. And now intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. So this line and this line is also parallel. You just have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. So ABC is this one. CDA is this one. You have to prove that both of them are congruent. So very easy now, children. See, first of all, I know, okay, one side is common in both of them, right? And I know only one side is equal because other than that, they're not talking about side. So I know I will use AAS, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or ASA. I will either use AAS or ASA, right? Because only one side is there in both of these congruencies. So, see now, I can say this angle is equal to this angle, right? Because this is a Z, you see. This is a Z. So both of them are alternate interior angles. So I can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And then children, can I also say that angle 3 is equal to angle 4? Why? Because this is also a Z,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So by ASA congruency criteria, I can say that this triangle ACD is congruent to ACB, right? So this one framing you will do on your own. I've just explained you. Any doubts? Everyone understand what you will have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next one. Okay, this is a very good question now. And then you have a total of 8 questions. Okay. Let's do this one only we'll do first. Now see children, 6th question, 7th question and 8th question. These 3 are very important. Okay, so all of you will make a star mark on 6th, 7th and 8th. Okay, up till now we were studying very easy questions where Two of the things were given, the third thing was common and everything like that. Now let's look at this question. Now what does it say? That AC line is equal to AE line. Where is AC? Okay, this line is equal to this line, and AB is equals to AD. This line is equal to this line. Now they are telling you, show that BC, where is BC? This line is equal to DE. DE is this line. Okay. Now children, in this question, choosing the triangle is very important. Okay, that which triangle are you choosing? So the first triangle, see now I have these two lines to work on, BC and D. So I will be choosing the triangles which will have these lines, right? So the first triangle that I will take is this one. See, this will be my first triangle. And this one will be my second triangle. Children, look very carefully. AC line is not there in my first triangle, right? Only pink color part is there. So pink color part has which lines? AD, AE and DE. Only those lines it has. AC line, do not think that it is there in that triangle. No, it's not there in that triangle. It is actually a part of yellow triangle. See, it's a part of this yellow triangle. And then I have an overlapping region that becomes the orange part. Orange part is overlapping region. So now if I am able to prove that these two triangles that I have marked, if I'm able to prove that both of them are congruent, so I can say that this line is equal to this line. So let's work on this now. So what will I do? Now children, given part you should be able to write on your own. Given and to prove. In triangle ABC and triangle AED. What will I have? First of all, directly I can say, see, from ABC, from the yellow part, I am taking AB line. I am taking this line. Okay. So we'll write down AB line is equal to, now this AD line is actually from the pink triangle. Okay. Is equal to AD line. Side is equal to side. Okay. Now again, from the yellow triangle, I am taking this line, AC line. Okay, so I'll say AC is equal to, and from the pink one I am taking AE line is equals to AE. Both of these were already given in the question. Okay, now what I will do is, see children, again, this thing is given in the question, in the figure, and not written in the question. What is it? That this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because the sign is already given to you in the question. So children, now tell me one thing. We studied Euclid's geometry, and there we studied that if you add a common thing to equal thing, the answer is also equal, right? So these two are equal angles. This angle and this angle is equal, and this part is the common thing. This small blue colored angle is the common thing. Look very carefully, children. You see this blue colored part is the common thing. Now, if I add this blue colored part to both the things, if I am adding it to this one, so this is first angle, and now if I'm adding to the left one, this is my first angle, and if I add it to the left one, this becomes my second angle. Children, just please give me a minute. There's somebody on the door. Okay, children, please look here, back on the screen. So now this blue colored angle is equal to this black colored angle. But children, I will have to frame my statement, right? And how will I frame my statement? First of all, I will say that angle, look here, I will say angle BAD is equal to angle CAE. Then I will say angle BAD plus angle BAC is equal to angle CAE again plus the same angle only. Okay? DAC, angle DAC. Right? So what do I get on the left side? Angle BAD plus angle DAC becomes how much? Angle BAC. And on the right side, CAE plus DAC becomes how much? Angle DAE. Okay, so this is my derivation, and this derivation I will use as my third point. Okay, so I'll write down angle BAC is equal to angle DAE, okay, by 1. You will write like this, and this point you will mark as 1. Okay. Thus, which congruency now will be applied? Which congruency will be applied? You have a side, children. Then you have an angle. Then again you have a side. Right? So by SAS. So then you will form a statement by SAS congruency. First triangle is congruent to the second triangle, and thus BC is equal to DE by CPCT. Now, children, very carefully you all will look. How will you copy this now? First of all, you make the diagram. Okay, make the diagram. Use a blue colored pen and a black colored pen to shade the different parts. Okay, and then what you'll do is you will write what is given, what you have to prove. Then you will start your solution. Okay, after to prove, you will do this. This point you will do after solution, and then you will start with your. Actually, this is a part of the proof. Like you will write proof, then first you will write this thing, and then you will write this thing. Okay. Start doing this, children. Do it in a very neat and clean manner.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, student, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Any doubts? No? Okay, children. So let's move ahead now. Now, children, 7.
Could you scroll up again?
Yes, Hafsa, please copy the 6th one by the time others. Children, try the 7th one, okay? I'll just give you a hint that it's actually a similar thing what we did right now. You just have been given two triangles. You just have to analyze them and add a common thing to both the equal parts. And then you will get your answer. Try it once. I'll give you 2 minutes, everyone. Then if you're not able to do or if you're stuck, I'll explain. Okay? Try it.